Hi, this is Chris from Audi Retrofit and Royal Auto Services. Just a quick tutorial on how to music stream from your Dynavin N6-A5. If, and like in this car, you've got the Audi music interface already fitted in the glove box, you'll need to have something plugged into it to wake up the line into your Audi concert. Now, first of all, you need to select media and make sure that it's on the Audi music interface line, so that gets woken up. And then what you do is you go into the N6-A5, and where it says auxiliary, you can switch between the Dynavin for Audi music on the Audi music interface input line, or the Audi product. So that's now playing from the Audi music interface. If you want to stream music, you have to select your Dynavin. Now that would be playing music from my phone, but of course I'm video on it, so it's not going to stream while it's videoing. But that would be playing music from my iPhone. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.